Arm your quads. Top 4, the final 8. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. Here we go. Great start. Everyone spooling up or the preload off of those pro launch pads. And yeah, buddy, we are racing one step closer to the championship here this afternoon. Look at this field. Everyone pushing out. I'm watching Heads Up FPV playing a little safer this time. A little risk and reward, and Night Fury's journey coming down early. But Heads Up FPV, he is pushing it. He says, nah. EMS Thomas, he's pushing up to the front as well. The Young Guns 1 and 2 out onto our big move right here. Yeah, buddy. Onto lap number 2 we go. We're on to lap number 2, 2 to go. BMS Thomas, your leader, and of course, Heads Up FPV number 2. Now it's Heads Up FPV just ahead of BMS Thomas. They're gonna have one more to go. The Young Guns in the 1 and 2 spot. We're gonna see who is 3 and 4. Heads Up FPV. Heads Up FPV just ahead of BMS Thomas and Astro in the number 3 spot. Falcon X, BO FPV, and JT FPV. The difference between 4th is really tight, guys, like less than 2 seconds. And we get ready to wave a checkered flag up at the top of our Soaring Skies start finish line. And there is your finish. Heads Up FPV, then BMS Thomas, 1 and 2. Let's fill that final 8. We know 6 pilots. Who is joining them up there? Up to our gate, it's Meanwhile FPV and JT FPV. Now let's award some cash as well, as we are gonna award additional money to NB Astro. He is going to finish up in the number 10 spot overall, and additional cash to Falcon X, finishing in the number 9 spot overall. 4th was JT FPV. Guys, grab your quads. We're in the finals. Grab your quads. We're in the finals. We'll figure out those channels. Moving into our final 8. Again, BMS Thomas, Heads Up